Alright, so what we got here is a Porsche Boxster S 2014. It is now installed with the Ghost-II Immobiliser System. So no thief will be sitting in this vehicle now. It's all secured and protected. If they get your key frequency or try and clone it, they can try and start the vehicle will not turn on. So you have to enter your code, fully customizable. It's set to this button at the moment as a demo. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get two high beam flashes to let you know the system has been disarmed, and now you can turn it on. So yeah, if you want this installed on your Porsche, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.